Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can change the app icon in Signal Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open Signal app on your phone. After you do so, click on your profile on the top left hand side and click on Appearance. After that, you can see the app icon. Go ahead and tap on app icon and you can see some of the various app icons. You can quit the app and you can open the app once again and you can see the change in the icon. So go to Appearance, click on app icon. You can see the icons over here. Let's go ahead and select this and you can see OK option. Go ahead and tap on OK and the app will be changed. So this is the default theme, so the theme has remained same, but if you open it without the theme, the icon can be changed. So go to Appearance, click on app icon and you can easily change the icon from this way. I hope this video about how you can change their icon in Signal was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.